Attention all bad bitches!
It's Lauren.
It's Ariana.
And we're back with another video. What is up, bitches?
My God,
So,
it's been a while.
a good little minute. We've actually been working on some things and prospering real quick to better improve, to bring on more content, continuous content.
So we decided to do a mukbang, or however y'all say it.
Okay.
Should we put our drinks in it?
Yeah. Wait, hold on, that one's mine.
Is it?
Yeah, I put mine right there. Wait, hold on.
Okay. So while we're eating this delicious food that we got from
Dude, look at
East
this.
Buffet,
Oh,
we're gonna be telling y'all what we've been
working on. So this week has just been the fucking most amazing week, y'all. Like, I'm gonna just start there.
Yeah.
This is like, okay, let's start from the beginning. So, you know, of course, we're not in a place, not everybody's always in a place to be able to afford shit on their own. So we found a roommate, me and my boyfriend Victor and Ariana. And nobody else can call her that. I'm gonna just start that shit now.
Yeah.
Because we need to make some shit like established. Like, if y'all ain't
Lauren or Alex.
right, Victor.
He calls me Nana, right?
Yeah, like just our immediate little group. That's it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're gonna go on this little journey, y'all. We're gonna get our own apartment.
We got approved.
Yes, they called us on Tuesday, Monday. Was it Monday? It was like Monday or Tuesday.
It was Tuesday.
What's it, Tuesday?
It was Tuesday because I had to email that lady about my job, and that's whenever she told me. And then right after you told me that, I was like,
I know, y'all. I cried because it's our first apartment. Like, it's the
Yes.
first step in our fucking life. Like, we're finally gonna be on our own. It took a long time to get here. It took a lot of improvement, a lot of errors, and you know,
trials.
So, you know, we're getting there. We're finally there. We got our first apartment, so
We moved in September 3rd.
yes. And this bitch comes back from Vegas. She'll be 20 motherfucking one. So
Hey.
y'all will see that vlog.
Yeah.
She is gonna vlog down there. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to go just because I had to save my money to, you know, put everything up.
But it's all good because, you know,
Yeah.
I still could kind of.
But when she come back, we in our own place.
Game over.
Every weekend.
Um.
I'm gonna just enjoy my food real quick. I'm gonna just enjoy this food real quick.
I don't know, it's good.
I'm so happy we went there. Y'all need to come check out East Buffet and Kyle.
They do to-go plates. They
This is why
weigh
I'm
it.
fat.
They
It's
weigh
okay, I'm
it.
gonna lose weight. We got a gym there.
Period.
Gonna get back to where I was at. Cause you know how they say relationships make you gain weight. I've been in mine for 4 years. Fat as hell. No.
And me, I just like food.
Oh, this is my dog, y'all. Y'all can see her.
Funny girl.
This is the love of my life. I've had her for almost 10 years now, y'all. This is my baby girl. This is my heart and my soul.
Say hi to the people. Hey, people.
Right. This is so fucking good. Yeah, I can't believe we're finna be living together. Man, we're under construction right now, y'all, so y'all need to bear with us.
Y'all need to like this video if y'all want to come with us furniture shopping.
I mean, they're gonna come anyways.
Yeah, y'all got no choice, but you know, it don't hurt to hit that like button.
Like, please subscribe, y'all. We have so many views, but yet we have so little subscribers. Like,
Right.
y'all don't have to turn on those notifications. Just subscribe, please.
Right.
But we love y'all support. Thank you for the views. Thank you for the likes and the subscriptions.
All of it's amazing. Once we get this apartment, it's on popping.
Cause this is just the beginning, y'all. Like, oh my god.
Y'all ready for a ride? Cause this shit is gonna go up, 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 up.
Hell yeah. I'm so enjoying this, dude.
It's so good. I can't stop.
Right, like I want to talk, but this food got me mesmerized.
It got my undivided attention.
Right.
By the way, we had gotten Big Red.
Oh yeah.
We got Big Red.
I love Big Red.
The best. Alright. Y'all comment down how y'all would describe how Big Red tastes.
We had this conversation with my mom. Like, I want to see, like, y'all for real, comment down below. Like, please, like, just tell us what y'all think Big Red tastes like.
Yeah.
Because just think about it. What the fuck does it taste like?
How would you describe it to a person who can't taste? Comment down below because I want to see y'all's answers.
Right, because the answer that we had,
we'll tell y'all the next video our answer, but we want to see everybody else's answer first.
what the fuck is that? I'm like, what kind of car was it?
That was a Honda? A Honda? Yeah, I saw an H in the back.
Just fucking creep by him.
Like, they were, like, stopped right there.
Like, right next to the car.
Oh, it's a motherfucking piece of guy.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Oh, the Kia.
For real.
I'm on a Pontiac, you're on a Honda? Oh my god! Our high asses.
What the fuck? I swear I saw an H.
Right! Oh my god. That's so funny. I'm full.
You're already done. Look at my food.
I'm down. I was not playing no game. I was hungry.
She wasn't.
Bro, because I'm taking those It Works diet pills.
Mm-hmm.
I just started taking them kind of seriously. So, it's an appetite suppressant, bro. And I ate half of a quesadilla today. 2 fucking corners, that was it. And I still have it inside. Like, this is the first, like, I think it's only when I smoke when I get an appetite.
I'm saying fucking here.
Like, more of an appetite, actually. But yeah, y'all. I take the It Works Thermo Fight X pills. It's an appetite suppressant, kind of like a caffeine pill. Gives you a lot of energy. I take 2 in the morning when I'm at work. You drink a lot of water with it. It really is an appetite suppressant. Like, y'all just heard me say, like, I ate half of a quesadilla. Usually, you know, I can finish it, but no. That was pushing it if I tried to.
That's
So I was like, that's good. And this is like the first time I've ate like a full meal today. I ate one portion of a fucking bagel this morning. And I even smoked this morning before work, on the way to work.
Really?
Yeah, and I ate one portion of a bagel. Not even the full bagel, just one half. Took a bite of the other half and then threw it away. Biscuit's gonna smell you whenever she comes in on this car.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's your mom.
How about, what's this?
Right. I was like, damn, this is a big ass clump of fucking rice.
It's a chicken. Oh, shit.
There's gonna be a mood when we move in.
Right.
Both in our room.
Right.
Because we can, because we pay the bills here.
Bro,
And if we don't want anybody in our apartment, we can just, like, if people are there, we just want them out and be like, get the fuck out.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, it's not like we're gonna do that, but just the thought that
If
we
we
can do
need
that.
to.
I mean, yeah, if we need to, we will. And I don't give a fuck because you don't pay my bills.
Right. What you gonna do about it?
Right. Because at the end of the day, you still gonna fucking leave.
Right. Period.
Oh, y'all, I want to show y'all
Ooh, yeah.
what I got today. This little beauty. You can't really see it. It's my Michael Kors purse.
Yes. We love her.
Yes, this is my new baby. Shout out to Macy's. Has the perfect amount of space. I need to get a fucking Michael Kors wallet now.
Y'all don't know how long I was waiting for this bitch to get a new purse.
Y'all, it's been a minute since I finally have a job that allows me to spoil myself like this, because my last job, I was thugging it out, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Getting paid like, what, $250 a week, but it paid my bills. I didn't give a fuck. I was good. I didn't care to have money at the time.
Mm-hmm.
But now I'm in a position to where I can do shit like this.
Yeah. Y'all should have seen the purse she was rocking with.
Y'all, the fucking straps are about to fall off. That was my bitch though.
Yeah.
She rode with me.
she hung in there.
Hell yeah. Down my been in the dark lit.
Yeah. Like a creeper.
Right.
Look. That'd be the thumbnail. The fuck is this?
Look this. Who's in my car? like like this. Alright, y'all, so we've been in the video here. It got real dark.
Yeah. And I believe we just had to tell you about the apartment, really.
Yeah. I mean, we got better jobs and
We're doing good now.
we're in a better position to come and, you know, do what we need to do. Fuck it up with you guys.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so peace.
We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Tell everybody about us.
It's nothing but up from here.
Exactly.
Alright? And y'all wanna be a part of this ride. I'm telling y'all right now.
It's gonna be a wild one, y'all.
Yeah. So
Catch y'all bitches in another video.
hey.